What are the maintenance requirements and costs for an air source heat pump? To keep your heat pump running smoothly, it is important to service the heat pump regular and service the hot water cylinder regularly, and make sure any controls are set up correctly. It's also a requirement of the manufacturer's warranty to have the heat pump serviced every year. The cost of an annual service will typically range from about £200 to £350 plus VAT. Pay monthly subscriptions may also be available. Typical service tasks of the air source heat pump and system will include cleaning of the evaporator and outdoor unit, cleaning the system filters, servicing the hot water system, recharging any expansion vessels inside or around the air source heat pump, monitoring and optimizing the heating controls and performance, and maintaining the exterior pipework insulation. Things you can do yourself include keeping the system pressure between 1 to 1.5 bar, report any leaks as soon as possible to your installer, refrain from changing any of the settings that your trusted installer has set up for you, because your optimization will possibly fall out of line. A heat pump can last up to 25 years, depending on your installation quality, design, quality of product, regular servicing, and the usage of the appliance. Manufacturer's warranties will typically cover the heat pump and controls for around about 5 to 7 years. Hot water cylinders are up to 25 years, and the components on the hot water cylinder up to around 2 years. In short, regular servicing of your heat pump will make sure it performs at its best for many years.